Hello, welcome to the second annual Ninjago Days at LegoLand Florida Resort. I've been looking forward to this for a long time, and it took me a while to get here because it's hard to get to weekend events when I work at a theme park and I have to work weekends. Master will wait nothing done. Over here in the big shop, they are celebrating their 10th anniversary all year long. Started celebrating that last year because, you know, not a lot of great things going on last year theme park wise. Since my last video, they have removed the entrance only and exit only, so you can go in and out on the other side, whichever way you want to go. Most people are probably going this way because generally people come here at the end of the day. Don't do that because, I mean, I know you don't want to carry stuff around, but that's when the lines are the longest. It's time to check out Rebuild the World, Planet LegoLand, which opened recently, but well, I knew I'd be coming back for Ninjago Days, and it's a kind of a long drive to come down here, so I'm gonna check it out now. Here's where you can put your masterpieces once you finish them. This used to be a friend's store. I think this has been a bunch of things, but there goes another vehicle. Few months this will be decorated for Halloween, but for now it's June, so they have instead, it's Pride Month, and they have a whole parade here in New York with unicorns, of course. I know this isn't part of Ninjago Days, but you know, it's also happening this month.
Can begin mastering your elemental powers of Earth. Lightning, ice, water, fire, and energy.
Alright, so this used to be the Minifigure Market, but it's now Build Your Art Gallery by Lego Dots. Okay. Here is a build challenge. They are building a larger version of this.
This is where you can help a real master builder construct that giant statue of Garbodon using these super bricks.
Ooh.
And these are what you're going to be building to help our master builder out. What do you say? You want to play? Awesome. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the School of Spin Jitsu. My name is Sensei Kumo, and I am here to teach you all about martial arts and the art of Spin Jitsu. I am one of the head teachers here, and I can see we have many brave young ninjas who are ready to learn with us today. Please, feel free to fill in the space here, children. Come closer if you will. Wonderful. Now, before we begin, I'd like to introduce all of you to my best student. Everyone, please welcome Thatcher. Sorry, Thatcher. He's very good at hiding. Thatcher, you can come out now. Thatcher. What? Wait, no. What are you doing? No. What? Jinx, what are you doing here?
Here, excuse me.
No, don't let her through.
Yes.
Don't come up here,
Don't worry,
Jinx.
I got this.
Jinx, I told you.
Hold on just a second. I need to catch my breath.
You're not
Okay, I'm good.
Thatcher. What are you doing here?
Well, Thatcher was in his new practice course when a horrible tragedy happened.
Oh no, what happened?
He was practicing his new spin kick move, and right when he put his foot down, that's when it happened. He stepped on...
His sword.
No.
Hot coals?
Nope.
Ah, the snake pit.
No, even worse.
Well, then what was it?
Lego brick.
What? No!
Yeah.
All good ninjas should begin
Well,
with,
beginning.
stretching and warm-ups, of course.
Oh,
I
right.
was thinking actually that I would teach them some Ninjago.
Oh, can I show them my favorite move?
No. We're just going to start with the basic stretches, all right? Now, make sure you spread. We're going to begin with the Ninja Warrior pose. Now, take your right leg in front, and we're going to go into a lunge just like this. Put your right arm out in front of you, your left arm behind you just like this. Think of your favorite Ninjago warrior as you do this.
Hi.
Really? Hi. Get in the element of fire today,
Yeah, I'm
James.
switching it up today.
We're going to go into our throwing star pose now.
Oh.
We're going to reach down for our right ankle as low as we can. And with our left arm, we're going to stretch all the way up to the branches of the tree.
I can't reach the trees. I don't have arms.
You have arms,
I know I have arms. Long arms.
Jinx.
Okay, now we're gonna do the soaring eagle. Cuckoo!
That's not a real Ninjago pose.
It's a new one I just made
How
up.
about we try this one instead? Everyone all together, we're going to do the bonsai tree. Balance on your right foot. Bring your left foot up as high as you possibly can. And then bring your hands to the center of your chest. Yes, very good. If you are feeling extra balanced, you can stretch out your arms like the limbs of the bonsai tree.
Like this.
Ninja warrior pose, one more time, but your left leg will be in front. The other one that you haven't used yet. We're going to stretch out our other arm. Bring our right arm behind us like this. Very good. Think of your favorite Ninjago warrior again.
Nia.
Nia, it's changed.
I know. I like them all. I can never decide.
We went from hot to cold. All right. Okay, everyone. Now we're going to go into our throwing star pose. Other side. Yes, we know what to do. Reach down for that left ankle. Right arm all the way up towards the sky. Now bonsai tree pose. Balance on your left leg this time. Right leg all the way up. Hands to the center of your chest. And then extend the bonsai tree. Very good.
Don't forget the snort.
Ninja warrior pose. Throwing star.
Oh.
Ninja warrior pose.
What?
Ninja warrior on the other side.
What?
Throwing star pose.
What?
Bonsai tree.
What?
Ninja warrior pose.
What?
Bonsai tree.
And you know what flies around the bonsai tree?
No, please don't say it.
Oh,
Jinx.
come on.
Don't say it. Oh,
Come.
all right, fine.
Everyone do the soaring eagle. Cuckoo!
Yes.
And during Ninjago Days, there are special meet and greets throughout the park. This is Master Wu. it's nice to see that the Lego factory is open again. Don't know what's behind the pipe and drape, but check out the haunted house. That's cool. Batteries included. Harry Potter or Mickey Mouse? I don't know. Looks like Harry Potter gives you more options. And if you don't like just one type of set, this is Lego Classic, which is just a whole bunch of blocks and shapes, as you can see on the side. So you can make what you want. Well, that's a look at LegoLand Florida Resort and Ninjago Days. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.
All 5 of the elements. That ninja holds the ultimate power of energy and becomes an elemental master.